Hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So hope you are preparing well for your exam. So in this video I will talk about the VIT, that is VITEEE 2021. As you all know, through this exam you can get the VIT Vellore, VIT Chennai and two more branches of VIT. So in this video I will talk about how to fill the application process. It is already has been started the application forms, and it will last around the March, so you have so much time, so fill the application form of VIT 2021 so that you have another option, or if unfortunately your JEE exam is not as per your expectation. So in this video I will show you live how to fill the application form, so that you won't have to regret later that you have provided the wrong information. So watch the video till the end so that you will get the complete information how to fill the application form. And I will also talk about the application fee, what are the documents needed for this application, and the important date that you need to follow in order to attend this exam. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the further video like this video. Also I will make for SRM, JEE, comedk, Wbjee, Gujarat common entrance test, MHT, CET. So I will do all the live application for all the exams so that you don't have to regret later, so that you can fill the application form in a better way. And for many videos on an IT cutoff, triple IT and comedk cutoff, Wbjee top college, comedk top college, you can check the I button as well as the description box. So please like this video and share this video to your friends so that they can also fill this exam, that is application form. And I advise you, please fill this application form, as it will give you another chance if you unfortunately don't score good in your JEE exam. So let's start the video. So this is the official website of VIT examination, that is vit.ac.in. You have to type this address in your Google so that you will be on this page, that is the official website. And then you can see here that is VIT 2021 BTech admission, apply now. So you can just click on here. And here one thing should be noted, that the exam dates for this exam is Friday 18 to Saturday 26th of June, so you have the time to prepare for it. So I think you should fill this form so that you have a good option for getting VIT college, that is VIT Vellore, Chennai and other two campus also. So now click here and you will be on the page for applying. So here you just need to, if you are a new user, if you haven't registered till yet, then you need to write the candidate name. Be careful while writing the candidate name. You need to put your candidate name as your class 12th or class 10th certificate have. So thereafter you need to select the residence status. You can see here Indian, NRI or POI OCI, so you can select anyone which is suited for you. So next you have to select the date of birth, and here also you need to be careful, as your date of birth in class 10th or class 12 certificate you need to apply the same here, because as the uh, facility in JEE main exam, for the correction window there will be no correction window in this form, so you need to fill all the detail correctly at once, because you can't change it after that. So again you need to check your gender, that is if you are male, then female, if you are female then take the female option. And then mobile number, use the mobile number which is active, and you use that mobile number in your phone, because all the conversation or information will be done through that mobile number. So and you also can't change the mobile number also, so you have to fill the right mobile number and which is active. And then you have to fill the email ID, that is the current email ID that you are using, so that you can get all the information on that. Or and also after registering yourself, you will get the password and application number on that email ID, so you should use the active email ID. And then write this verification code here and tick it, and thereafter click on the register. I have already registered, so I will move to the next page. So I would like to say you that after clicking on register, you will get a mail, that is the confirmation OTP. So you need to authenticate your OTP, then you will get the password, and your username will be your email. So provide the email and password and you will be logged in, and then you have to do the original process. So I have already logged in. So here you can see the all the notification has been given, that are steps to be followed, information voucher, application form, document upload. So here all the things have been written. So you need to click on the application form so that you are ready for filling the application form. So here you can see your application number will be displayed, and your name, mobile number, date of birth, all the thing will be displayed. So and then you can select all the things, that is, and before this page you will get a information page which will talk about your that any information can't be changed later. And one more thing, if you done the payment, that is 1150, and if you don't get the confirmation, then wait. If it is not confirmed, then pay again and you will get the refund, that is the previous one will be refunded back within 5 to 7 days. So don't worry if your payment is not done at the time of application filling, it will be done, and you have the time. So important dates you can also check here, that the application process has been start from 30th November, and it will be continued to I think till March, March until last March, and then that will be announced later. But the tentative date for the exam is 18 June to 26 June, which is far later. So you have the time to prepare for it. So in the application form you just need to fill all the things, and here community, if you are from general then general, and other thing also you can choose. And if you are from EWS category, then tick yes, and your mother tongue you can check here, whichever applied to you, you can select that. And the state from which you are belonging, you can check that. And also the parents name you need to fill, parents mobile number also. And you, if you are interested in filling the Aadhaar number, you can fill, but if not, it is not a problem. So next you need to fill the address, you can't change it, so you need to fill the address accordingly. And after that you need to click on the save button so that you will be on the next page. So after clicking on save and next, you will have to fill this information, that is your school information, whether you are from English medium or others, or mode of studies regular, or you have taken a drop in between the 10th and 11th. So you can tick, and the school pin code you can write here, and a school state name, from which state the school is belonging, in which you have done your 12th. And a district name, name of the board, name of the school also, and the address of the school you can say right here. And the test city preference, which city you need you want to attend your exam. So you can attend the exam from anywhere around the India. So there are many cities available for the exam center for VIT. You don't need to travel to anywhere, you will get the center near to your home. So you need to just fill the uh, test preference which will be used for the allocation of your examination center. After that you need to pay the fee for this exam. So I am not doing the original application process, so I will not pay. So after just this is the thing that you need to do, and then thereafter you need to pay the payment, that is 1150. And during the payment, if your payment is not confirmed, then don't worry, it will be confirmed in 1 or 2 hours. But if then not confirmed, then you need to pay again, and you will get the refund back of the previous payment. So there is nothing to worry about if your payment is not done at that application time. So after you click on the proceed to pay, you will have the option to pay through your net banking, credit card, debit card, or Paytm wallet. You can do the payment, and thereafter you need to upload the documents. One or two documents they will ask, the 10th certificate, 12th certificate, or anything that you also can upload later, because the time for the application process is so much. So this is all about how to apply for the VIT exam. So you should consider this exam, as you will get a good private college if your JEE exam unfortunately not goes well. So this will be an another opportunity of getting a good college. So thanks, this is all about the VIT. Hope you find this video useful, and for many more videos you can check the I button as well as the description box, and the similar video I will make for SRMJE, comedk, WBJE live application how to fill. So be there with this channel, you will get all the guide and support. Thanks.